check out the room.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Bars. Yeah, this is maybe 4 or 5 bars clustered right next to each other. But there's going to be a lot more on this street when we turn right. Actually, they're kind of all over the place. Actually, that one is more like a party vibe. So they have, some of them are more low-key, but that has a very heavy party vibe. Yeah, they're kind of cleaning up a little bit. It's midnight right now, so oh, looks like they're cleaning up tonight. That's good. That means it'll be nice and clean in the morning. Well, we're gonna walk by quite a few more kind of loud party spots. And then we're gonna go back to another spot where there's some more like mellow live music. So it's after midnight right now. Pizza place. So, okay. I'm just gonna walk and try to find these, try to do more of these skewer type things. These ones. But there's another one that I want to get to that has a nice, has some more that I want. Yeah, sadly leaving Yangsuo tomorrow. But you kind of get a feel for it. is more mellower music right here. Just gonna walk by this one too. And then I'm gonna get some skewers. Becky already has some skewers. Miss Yangsuo. More mellower. We're gonna walk by some more. Okay, massage place. Some live music over there. And some more live music over here. Actually, I was in this one and the one down there just a little while ago. The other live music one. I was here last night. It's another live music one on the right. There you go. Kind of live music everywhere. Another one over on this side. Straight ahead is some skewers that I want to eat. And I'll probably call it a night after that. Pretty cool. Okay, this one right here has a bunch of skewers. So, gonna eat one of these. Call it a night. Show you what I'm gonna get. Gonna sit in this chair right here. And I'm gonna order some of these ones. Hello. I'm gonna get some more. Gonna get 2.
Okay.
And 2. And these 2.
Spicy.
A little bit.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna close it right now and we're gonna sit right here in a minute. Okay, it's 1 in the morning and they're still selling all these clothes now. Before there was just like lined up, one person at a time with one article of clothing, but I guess they have the rights to do it. To put all the clothing out at nighttime. So I don't know, maybe they get some late night sales at this time. The music is thumping straight ahead. But I live down this dark alley. My hotel is down this dark alley. So we're gonna walk up this dark alley with the camera and we conclude Yangshuo. Oh, okay. This was all these were rented out all day today. Didn't see anything in here or there. This is still open. This is the acupuncture. This one is still open. There's some people behind me. Okay. Now we go down the dark alley. And you can't see anything in this alley. But here's the back street inn. So they brought in. Okay. Three guys on a moped. So this lady is renting out bikes too today. It's very helpful. Every time I walk by here, she's trying to help out with something. And I guess we'll conclude right there. That's Yangshuo. Okay, back at the hotel. It's a bar that's maybe empty. Dark stairwell. Kind of closed area. Okay, that's the city right there. You can't really see it, but there's the moon up there. There's like a skyline of, can't barely see my hands, but there's a mountain view right here. And now we're going to go down this hallway, go up the different steps. There's a good book right there called Moon Over Macau. I'd leave that sometimes when I go to different hotels. That's the book that I wrote, so. Okay. And we're up here, top deck. Okay. Net Yangshuo.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.